off on another adventure. I pack up my things, hop on a flight, and meet Sammy down in San Jose, Costa Rica. The next morning, we wake up early and head to the Parque Nacional Volcán Poás, which is a volcano near the city. You ready to go? So excited? We're off to see the volcano. After the volcano, we head to the Paz Waterfall Garden Nature Park. In the park, you become immersed with different animals and wildlife and finish off with beautiful waterfalls. Please do not feed the toucans. What's up, dude?
What's that one over there?
Yeah.
Can you see that one?
Yeah,
The big one?
but this one has the green beak.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
It's different. Usually those are on the Caribbean side.
Mm-hmm.
This one,
This one here?
yeah, is the only one here. The others are yellow.
Nice.
He's waiting for us to go out so he can follow us.
Here's a nice picture. Right over my head.
Right over your
I
head.
felt it. Oh my god.
That was cool.
I felt like Aspen.
Hi. Look at that hawk. Look at that dew hawk. Hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo está? Bien. Oh, here's the butterflies. This is what they have. This is what they have in Gainesville.
I have to come back.
He was trying to sneak out with you.
Wait, there's another one.
Oh, you come out one. Stole one.
He knows.
He knows, yeah.
He's smart.
Oh my god, it's blue. Oh,
He's
it's
smart.
free.
Oh, I got one too.
You got one?
Yeah.
Where?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm
No
so sorry.
problem.
You trying to get out, little guy?
Oh my god.
Okay. Quick, quick, quick.
Wait, wait, wait.
Well, I'm here already.
I keep behaving.
Look at the monkey.
Looking around. My name is my son. Come here, Baba.
What? Yeah.
This one. Wow.
What's up, dude? Think you could beat a monkey in a fight?
No. Thanks. I really don't like snakes, man.
Look at this guy.
Look, right here.
Oh, you're the mama.
Ese es puma. Otro se llama puma.
Oh. Two of them. Oh, there's baby. He's like, you know how bad I want to hunt you right now?
I see the crocodile, but where is it?
The frog?
Yeah.
Right there. Okay, watch my camera.
Yeah.
Well, at least we saw one. Coffee?
Coffee or sugarcane tea?
Can I have coffee?
Coffee?
Mm-hmm.
Black or with milk?
With milk.
Can you?
Sugar cane, please.
Okay.
Gracias.
Gracias.
To try the cheese and the corn pudding?
Oh, jeez.
What is that?
It's the corn pudding, it's the traditional dessert.
Gracias.
Yo agarro de eso.
Okay.
Gracias.
Con gusto.
Cheers. Yeah.
Delicious. Divino, gracias.
Gracias. After seeing all the animals, we head through the forest to the final and my favorite part, all of the waterfalls.